And next up is our Snap bounty called OSnap. And join me in welcoming Ziad Saab to share more about this bounty. Welcome, Ziad. How are you doing?
Thank you, Francesco. Welcome, everyone. GM, I'm so excited to present the Snaps bounty for this hackathon. My name is Ziad. I'm the developer advocate for the Snaps platform. My background is totally real. And as a developer advocate, my role is to put out a lot of the content out there that you guys are going to be using to build on Snaps, and also to create connections with you guys. As you develop, as you learn about Snaps, I want you to reach out to me, and I will give you my info at the end of that quick presentation. So let's get on to it. First off, I want to talk a little bit about what MetaMask Snaps is. Snaps is MetaMask's extension platform. It allows you developers to add features to MetaMask that us as an internal team would never had time to add. You can add non-EVM chains. You can manage Bitcoin from MetaMask. You can increase security with transaction insights right into the transaction windows. You can add communication features with notifications. You can add interactivity by using cron jobs to program things that are going to happen as the user is using the wallet, and tons of other supporting features. So how do you create a snap? Let's move on to the next slide. To get started, it's so simple. You've already created a React app or something like that. You just go to your terminal, you run yarn create at MetaMask Snap, your Snap name, and then you're going to get started with our mono repo that is going to give you everything that you need in order to build your Snap. Okay, now you've started creating your snaps, but you want to win. This is so important. How do you win? All right, we need only a few things from you. We need you to build a novel use case for snaps. We need you to understand what snaps actually is all about. That means that we want you to build something that you couldn't do without snaps. That's how you're going to get our attention and you're going to get to win those prizes. We need you to have a GitHub repository. It needs to have a detailed README file. And we all know that, this is the boring stuff. We only want to do it at the end, but we really need you to have a good README. I need to be able to run your code. Me and the other judges need to be able to run your code on our local machines. So make sure that that can happen. And finally, create a demo video of your Snap in action and show us what it's all about and why it matters. All right, so you're creating your Snap. You've started in the process. How do you get help? First, join our Discord. I love speaking to developers on Discord. I do it every day since I've started this job, and I really enjoy it. So we'll give you the link to our Discord later. Join and use our documentation. It's located at docs.metamask.io/snaps. And last thing I want to say about getting help is that we also need a little bit of your help. We need some feedback. Snaps is going to launch officially in the live MetaMask extension only a few months away from now. And we need you, the developers, as you're working with Snaps, to let us know how complete and accurate our documentation is. What APIs do you wish you had in there and are currently not available? And any other feedback about your developer experience. You can use Discord to do that. But if you want a more personalized approach, feel free to reach out to me. My handle on Twitter and Telegram is @ZiadMTL. All right. So that's it for the Snaps bounty. I'm really excited to see what you guys are going to be building with Snaps. And I'm going to send it right back to Francesco.
Thanks, Ziad. Love the beautiful background, the real background. Cool. So let's extend the functionality of what MetaMask together and see how innovative you can be.